Detox water, the new health mantra. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a health secret that helps clean and strengthen your body from the inside out. Yes, I'm talking about detox water. It's not a magic potion, but a simple solution that helps flush out toxins from your body. It keeps you hydrated, boosts your energy, and makes you feel fit. Drinking detox water is a great way to make your daily water intake even healthier. So let's learn more about detox water and how it can be beneficial for you. Detox water is much more than just plain water. It's a mixture of water and fresh fruits, vegetables and herbs that not only quenches your thirst but also energizes your body. It flushes out toxins from your body, which improves your digestion, gives you glowing skin, and makes you feel fresh. To make detox water, all you have to do is add your favorite fruits, vegetables or herbs to water and leave it for a few hours. Then sip on this water throughout the day. Detox water has many benefits. It aids in weight loss, improves digestion, enhances skin glow, and strengthens your immunity. It keeps you hydrated, which is essential for weight loss. It also boosts metabolism, helping you burn calories faster. Detox water also promotes healthy digestion and relieves constipation. Moreover, it keeps your skin hydrated and radiant. It also flushes out free radicals from your body, which are responsible for premature aging. Make easy detox water at home in minutes. Making detox water is super easy. Here's a simple method. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 1 sliced cucumber, 1 sliced lemon, 1 inch of ginger, sliced, a few mint leaves. Instructions: first, pour water into a jug. Then, add cucumber, lemon, ginger, and mint leaves. Now, refrigerate this jug for 2 to 3 hours. Voila, your detox water is ready. Drink it throughout the day and reap its benefits. To make your detox water even more fun and flavorful, you can use different fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Watermelon and mint, perfect for summer days. Orange and cinnamon, will keep you warm in winters. Pomegranate and basil, rich in antioxidants. Experiment with your favorite combinations and see what you like best. Remember, there's no one right way to make detox water. You can customize it to your liking. 14-day detox water challenge. Give your body a new life. Friends, it's time for you to experience the magic of detox water in your life. I challenge you to drink detox water every day for the next 14 days and see the difference it makes to your body. I'm sure you'll be happy with the results. Stay healthy, stay happy.